Okay, so today what we're going to be doing is some vertical mulching. It's an old way of alleviating soil compaction and allowing some more lateral root movement in trees that are confined to a small area, or maybe they were balled and burlapped. So we'll be also doing a root crown inspection on these aspen here. This is the air spade. It's designed to be able to blow the dirt away without harming the roots. And what we're going to do with some of these trees is we're going to actually use a little vermiculite. Oftentimes you'll see vermiculite in pots. Helps absorb moisture, keeps that moisture contact in the soil, and helps keep the soil from getting recompacted. So we can definitely air spade, and it looks great, but ultimately soil will go back to its original form and get compacted again unless you physically change it. So we're going to physically change it by adding in some vermiculite along these radial trenches. So one of the things that we find out when we do air spading is, I talk to people all the time about what a girdling root is, and you can see, well, this is the start of one. See how it just goes right around, but look at how badly this is indented in. I mean, and when I cut this, it's just like you can feel the tension. Yeah.
What causes this?
Well, what usually causes it is from the nursery. So they're usually trees that have been left in containers far too long, and the nursery, for whatever reason, has not, moved them into bigger pots because they haven't sold. And sometimes trees are sold by the bucket, or the size of the bucket or box that they're in. And when someone sees a really big tree in a small bucket, they're like, great tree. But probably not, because that tree's probably been sitting in that bucket and those roots have been circling. When we plant, we've got to be able to let these roots open up. Yeah, that's going to be a tough one to cut.
Need a handsaw?
Well, no, I'll probably need a chisel.
Okay.
Anyway, so that's a girdling root.